Welcome to the Bumblebee Bat versus Shrew Mole. The shrew mole usually lives in messy grasslands, marshes, and meadows. The mole spends most of its time above ground foraging for food. It can dig up to 30 centimeters in soft and moist soil. They are native to near Arctic. Strengths and weaknesses. The shrew mole is the smallest mole known to mankind, so it makes it much harder for predators to catch it. That also said, its size is a very big weakness for itself. The shrew mole can burrow underground to hide from predators and find foods such as worms and other bugs.
The bumblebee bat lives in a cave, and it can fly through the air and doesn't regularly touch the ground. They hunt for bugs and small creatures. And its strengths and weaknesses are that it can fly to scout its environment and find food. It's hard to spot and can avoid predators. Echolocation helps it see in the dark. One disadvantage is its size, which makes it weak because it's very small. It's one of the smallest bat species known by us. And in our habitat prediction, this fight could happen in either of the two creatures' habitats, since they usually share habitats.
Possible outcomes. There are an almost infinite number of outcomes that could occur, but we'll try to come up with the most likely outcomes. The most common outcomes that could happen between these two animals is the fact that they would both attempt running away as soon as a threat is sensed. However, there is a possibility of a fight, although it won't end in death of either animal, but it would end in a small injury for the shrew mole, especially, because the bat would probably fly down and bite it once or twice, and then it would give up, and this would end in a stalemate of sorts.
For the prediction of the winner, me and my partner Alex thought that the shrew mole would win. But we came up with a new scenario. The scenario would be that the shrew mole steals the bat's prey, but the bat wants it back, and bites the shrew mole a couple of times, but the shrew mole burrows underground, waits until the bat leaves.